In the first 24 hours of the 2026 Iran conflict, over 1,000 targets were identified and cleared for strikes. But these weren't found by human analysts, they were found by an algorithm. This is Project Maven. While the world debates ChatGPT and AI chatbots, the military has moved on to something much more powerful: Agentic AI. We aren't just talking about the smart cameras anymore. We are talking about AI systems that plan, act, and coordinate entire war at machine speed. This isn't science fiction. It's the new standard of warfare. Today, we are going inside the black box to see the AI systems actually running the show. The heart of this revolution is the Maven Smart System. Originally just a computer vision tool, Maven has evolved into a massive intelligent hub. It now integrates over 150 different data sources, from private satellites to soldiers' wearable sensors and even social media feeds. But the real shift in 2026 is the arrival of Gen AI.mil. The Department of War is now using custom classified versions of frontier models like OpenAI GPT-4 to wargame strategies. In the recent conflict, these models drafted entire courses of actions in seconds, a process that used to take human generals weeks of planning. And it's all tied together by Palantir's AIP. Think of AIP as the central nervous systems. It connects the high-level strategy of the Pentagon directly to the digital headset of a soldier on the ground. When a commander sees a threat on a map, they don't just see it. They ask the AI, "What are my options?" The AI checks the supply chain, calculates the fuel, scans the enemy's defenses, and purposes the strike all before a human even picks up a radio. But if Maven is the brain, the new drone swarms are the hands. We have officially entered the era of saturation tactics. Through the Swan Force initiatives, the military is deploying hundreds of low cost drones that work as a single collective mind. The goal: overwhelms expensive missiles defenses by simply having more targets than they have bullets. The secret sauce here is edge computing. In the past, if you jammed a drone signal, it was useless. Not anymore. Today's drones carry AI on board. They can see and reason even when they are completely offline. If one drone in the swarm is shot down, the others immediately recalculate the missions in real time. They don't need a pilot to tell them what to do. They only need a mission's objective. This speed comes with a terrifying cost: the accountability gap. In February 2026, we saw the Anthropic Standoff. The Pentagon effectively blacklisted the AI company Anthropic because they tried to put safety guardrails on their model to prevent them from being used in lethal operations. The military's response was clear: in modern war, we cannot have an AI that hesitates. But this creates a black box problem. Even the engineers don't fully understand why an AI chooses a specific house or vehicle or a target. When an algorithm makes a mistake and civilians are caught in the crossfire, who do we hold responsible? The programmer, the general, or the code itself? As we push closer to level 5 autonomy, where AI builds its own tools to reach a goal, the human element is being pushed further and further out of the loop. The fog of war is being replaced by lines of code. But as the speed of battle reaches machine speed, are we losing the very thing that keep a conflict from escalating out of control? The ability to say stop. Would you trust an AI to make a life or death decision if it meant bringing more soldiers home alive? Let's discuss it in the comments.